Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is types of feasibility study. Feasibility study. A feasibility study is an analysis that takes all of a project's relevant factors into account, including economic, technical, legal, and scheduling considerations, to ascertain the likelihood of completing the project successfully. Project managers use feasibility studies to discern the pros and cons of undertaking a project before they invest a lot of time and money into it. Feasibility studies also can provide a company's management with crucial information that could prevent the company from entering blindly into risky businesses. Different types of feasibility study. There are various important types of feasibility study which are as follows: technical feasibility study, managerial feasibility study, economic feasibility study, financial feasibility study, cultural feasibility study, social feasibility study, safety feasibility study, political feasibility study, environmental feasibility study, and market feasibility study. Technical feasibility study. The engineering feasibility of the project is viewed in the technical feasibility. Certain important engineering aspects are covered which are necessary for designing of the project, like civil, structural, and other relevant aspects. Technical capability of the projected technologies and the capabilities of personnel to be employed in the project are considered. If required, technology transfer between cultures and geographical areas should be analyzed. By doing so, productivity gain or loss and other implications are understood due to the difference in fuel availability, geography, topography, infrastructure support, and other problems. Managerial feasibility study. Managerial feasibility is ascertained by certain key elements like employee involvement, demonstrated management availability, and capability and commitment. The managerial and organizational structure of the project is addressed by this feasibility, which ensures that the organizational structure is feasible to the kind of operation being undertaken. Economic feasibility study. Economic feasibility refers to the feasibility of the considered project to produce economic benefits. A cost-benefit analysis is needed. Furthermore, the economic feasibility of a project can also be evaluated by a break-even analysis. In order to facilitate the consistent basis for the evaluation, the tangible and intangible facets of a project must be translated into the economic terms. Economic feasibility is critical even when the project is non-profit in nature. Financial feasibility. Financial feasibility must be differentiated from economic feasibility. The ability of the project management to raise sufficient funds required to implement the proposed project is included in the financial feasibility. Additional investors and other sources of funds are considered by the project proponents for their project in many cases. In such situations, feasibility, sources, soundness, and applications of these project funds may be a hindrance. Other aspects of financial feasibility should also be viewed, if appropriate, like creditworthiness, loan availability, equity, and loan schedule. The implications of land purchase, leases, and other estates in land are also reviewed in the financial feasibility analysis. Cultural feasibility study. The compatibility of the proposed project with the cultural environment of the project is included in the cultural feasibility. Planned operations should be integrated with the local cultural beliefs and practices in labor-intensive projects. For example, what a person is willing to perform or not perform is influenced by his religious beliefs. Social feasibility study. The effect that a proposed project may have on the social system in the project environment is addressed in the social feasibility. It may happen that particular category of employees may be short or not available as a result of ambient social structure. The influence on the social status of the participants by the project should be evaluated in order to guarantee compatibility. It must be identified that employees in the particular industries may have specific status symbols within the society. Safety feasibility study. Another important aspect that must be considered in the project planning is the safety feasibility. Safety feasibility involves the analysis of the project in order to ascertain its capacity to implement and operate safely with least unfavorable effects on the environment. Mostly in complex projects, environmental impact assessment is not properly addressed. Political feasibility study. The direction for the proposed project are mostly dictated by the political considerations. This is certainly correct for large projects with potential viability that may have important political implications and government inputs. An evaluation of the objectives of project with the current objective of the political system is required in the political feasibility analysis. Environmental feasibility study. Environmental aspect is very crucial in making any potential project successful or failed. In the very early stages of the project, this aspect should be considered. All the environmental concerns raised or forecasted should be addressed in environmental feasibility so that proper actions can be taken to cover relevant issues of the environment. The ability of the project to timely acquire the required permits, licenses and approvals at a reasonable cost should also be included in this area. Market feasibility study. Market feasibility must not be mixed up with the economic feasibility. The potential influence of market demand, competitive activities and available market share should be considered in the market feasibility analysis. During the startup, ramp-up and commercial startup phases of the project, possible competitive activities, local, regional, national and international, should be analyzed for early contingency funding and impact on the operating cost.